Round two, Dave's Hot Chicken Reaper Challenge. This time we're just doing the tenders. Let's get it. We're gonna go ahead and get into this Dave's Hot Chicken. Let's get it. So we do have a couple different things in here. We're gonna separate. So this is the little mile. So that's that one. That's not for me. Light mile. I can't put down the glasses. Again, another light mile, not mine. We do have some coleslaw, which I am keeping, but on the side afterwards. And then on this one, this is the Reaper. So this is coming in one box. It should be two tenders, right? Two tenders of fries. Let's go look at that sticker. It's the Reaper. Super cool. All right. So we're gonna just keep that here, and then ketchup and all that stuff. All right, guys, let's open this boy. Let's see what's going down here. Shot. So these are the Reaper tenders. So I think what we're gonna do is so last time I did the sandwich, I did it in I think like 57 seconds. That was a sandwich, so this time we're just doing the tenders. I'm gonna try to go for two, see what we get and see what time we get. So we'll go ahead and we'll start the time. My mouth is pretty solid, even though it's gonna be hot. I'm gonna move the fries to the side. Okay, cool. Nice. We'll save the bread and all that for last, you know. Cool.
57 seconds?
Well, for two of them, I don't know, but we'll see what we can do. So these are the Reapers. This one here. This one here. So.
You want to see what mine looks like compared to?
Maybe I can do an overlay later. We'll see. All right, ready, set, go.
For the tall signs.
Yeah. It's cooking in. It's gonna hurt tomorrow.
You're not even flinching.
It's hot, man.
Almost there, almost there. Ooh.
Woo! Oh, shout out to Dave's Hot Chicken, Ontario, California. This one was definitely hotter. Oh, yeah. Still nothing to drink, so that's good. I think my tongue is kind of numb at this point. I got some side heat, but yeah. A little tears. But yeah, I just want to give a shout out to everybody that supports it. Whether it's your thing or it's not your thing. Yeah, man. Let's get it. Thanks. Peace.